All right, so the strengths of our group, whenever we're all together, we're very productive. There's never been like a day where like we haven't really gotten something done. Our very first design was like pretty strong in general. For an idea, we didn't ever have to make too radical changes. Compatibility of ideas, like never really got into arguments about like the best idea or like how to approach the problem in like a different way.
Our weaknesses, we had three weaknesses. Basically, it's hard to get all of your group members in one place. So it's mostly availability. So like, either one week I'm not there, another week someone else is not there, and apparently this is like one of those weeks where everyone was there. Another one was production issues. There was a prototype, but it had some issues. So, and the final design, it wasn't really up to pat. So, like, there are some changes we need to make so that we get it done right. And third one was material acquisition. There were problems getting materials. Like, we had trouble getting the right spring to use, so we had to like switch it up to a rubber band and like little things like that. But in the end, we'll get it done.
Yeah, so like some challenges that we faced, like Ashton was saying, our initial design was using a spring, but we couldn't really buy a spring that would work with our PVC pipe that we bought. So yeah, we had to end up switching to rubber bands. So we had to do a bunch of redesigns to make that work. Also with those redesigns, we got a lot of failures. So like our rubber bands would snap initially, and then when we fixed that, and we'd have to deal with platform snapping, just different failures with the designs we had along the way. Another challenge we faced was building location. Initially we were building at Dawson's house, and then we switched to using rooms that we rented from the library. But initially it was really hard to find a good building location for our group to put together the product and test it. And then finally, our last challenge is the accuracy of the launcher. When we were testing in our prototype, retrofit, and final phases, we were having a lot of problems with the launcher shooting the ping pong ball accurately every time, and hitting the target 3 times like it was outlined in the project.
Okay, so for changes, if we had to do it all over again, we'd have more coordination like between each other with the materials and design, like what we wanted to get done. Also, researching materials would be like realistic to build it with, and making more realistic designs. Like you can design something that looks really cool, but if you're gonna make something in the real world, it has to be something that you can actually make.